We are a Ontario manufacturer of dispensing and feeding equipment, more specifically friction feeders, trade-in esters, and custom automation.
Schneider Electric's a solution provider in the electrical field. We're also an energy efficiency specialist globally, and working with David, we sell some products and solutions that are used on his equipment.
We've been very successful with Schneider throughout the last 3 years, and we've actually built that relationship even further in the last 6 months by introducing an open source platform on all our friction feeders, where we're going to use a Schneider PLC touchscreen controller.
I'm pretty excited that we've helped Dave take the machine to the next level by reducing the overall number of components on the machine. Here we have our new generation of machine working with Dave McCharles at Pineberry and his mechanical and electrical programmers. So far fewer connections. We've eliminated at least 6 connections going from the combination HMI PLC. And the power supply, servo control power supply that was previously in a large gray box, is now actually incorporated in the integrated servo device. We've helped hopefully reduce the wiring of the machine. Simplified, compact, cost-effective solution that adds to the performance of the machine.
We've gone from a 24 by 24 inch control panel box now to nothing, which has now made our friction feeder portable.
The controller itself is replacing a proprietary control board. Here we have our first generation of a feeding system, our control panel, which we've simplified in the new generation. So our control panel has our controller, a power supply, the servo amplifier controller module. So all the parameters that might have been only accessible through a PC or a laptop now are displayed on a simplified graphic terminal. It's a smarter machine, but overall it's a simpler machine to use.
You can actually get information from the terminal through an app on your iPhone. There's 2 initiatives that we're doing right now. One is again, the open source technology. It's the way the future is being built. Our automation is allowing consumer goods companies to be able to implement these our products into their assembly lines to allow them to track and trace their product. So this is the Pineberry flat carton serialization system. We're introducing 2 new systems into the pharmaceutical industry for serialization. We've come up with a solution for flat cartons that will enable small to medium-sized users able to serialize those cartons before they're filled. What it does is essentially allows our customers to load their flat cartons into a magazine. We feed them out automatically. We have a domino coding system that will put the 2D barcode, and then again a Cognex camera that will verify.
For specific machines, we have things called TVDAs, tested, validated, documented architectures. So for a TVDA, we take multiple products, and we know that there's typical types of machines out there. So where with Pineberry's equipment, the TVDA might not be 100% applicable. It could be 90 or 80% applicable. So we would take that pre-done application and we would customize, optimize it for David's machines.